What are you doing? That's not
I'm
safe!
trying to touch the wires.
No. First we're gonna go to Bender, then learn about electrical safety, and then you'll be safe. Okay.
Okay, not literally. Let me explain. We visited Bender Inc. in Eagleview, PA. That's right, it was founded in 1946 in Grunberg, Germany, but their US wing was founded in 1984 Exton, PA. It grew from a small company with only 4 employees and now has over 1,200 employees across the world.
So as I said, all of our panels get built over here and down. Here is actually one of our control panels. Put in the test booth, get hooked up, we'll check it for functionality, make sure everything works correctly, make sure that there's nothing wrong with the product. Once it goes through quality, it's sent to the accumulation table and it gets packed up and go out to our customers. Leaving the country, we crate all of our product. If it's staying in the country, put in a cardboard box, gets strapped, wrapped, palletized, ready to go out to the customer.
Can you describe your role at Bender Inc. and what a typical day would look like?
Shannon, and I work at Bender. I am a quality specialist, basically a quality engineer. I come in the mornings, and if there is product that needs to be tested before it goes out the door, I jump on that. Otherwise, I deal with return products, customers, vendors, and deal with any kind of issues that would come up quality related.
By the way, I'm in Washington. I really enjoy designing things. So what originally got me started was I really like CAD modeling, 3D modeling, doing gears and designs, trusses, and all kinds of things. In the long term, I determined, like this is something I really want to get into. I ended up pursuing an engineering degree.
Manufacturing is a cool and exciting industry to work in.
Because you're always creating something. It's very often not necessarily what you create, it's also who you work with. So we have just a good team here. It's always fun to come into work and meet everybody, have meetings and create new stuff.